All right, welcome to the second episode of Just Us Being Moms. How are you?
Very
Cheers.
well, Miss Healthy, and my coffee to keep me up.
It's vitamin C. I need it because I'm not sleeping well. So, do you remember the first time when I came to your house? When was it?
The first time that you came to my house was for some play date that we had actually thought for.
So actually,
yeah.
it was Diwali Fest
Yes.
decision making that was
yeah.
going on, and because we
Correct.
were inviting so many small businesses, and it was the first big undertaking that we both
What
had
is
taken.
wrong with my memory? I think I still have
Old
Mama's
age.
brain. No, mommy brain.
So I remember when I entered your home. First of all, I am a person who catches vibes very quickly, and so is my son. So the vibe was very pleasant because at that time I remember you had just lit in a lamp, for Guruji, and then you were just giving 5 minutes of meditation, and I was sitting at the sofa with my son. So that is the first impression I got of your house. But then when the kids started playing in the other area, and I went to take Ray because I was not sure what he's doing. That setup, it's the same setup, guys, that we had talked about in our first episode. And if any of you, I'm going to add so many clips here, when you see it, you can actually see that, okay, this is the house of a intentional parent, of a conscious parent. So how did you start that? What made you make that whole place just dedicated to kids?
I'm sure when you were a kid, or any one of you, every one of us wanted our own zone, no?
Oh yeah, I did. I wanted my own house.
Our Barbie house, or
Yeah.
for my brother, it would have been the gaming zone, etc.
Yeah.
But for them, this thing came into picture because of the need
Okay.
that I really felt. I mean, obviously, twins are preemies, so a lot of parents and a lot of people were scaring me to death that they will not hit the milestones on time. They will delay the things, and you really have to be more cautious, etc. And this and that, and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Stuck in my mind.
I know.
And then obviously my daughter, as I had shared in the last episode also, was born with DDH.
Yeah.
So obviously she would take time to recover, then stand and then walk. So the milestone is delayed. So a single milestone getting delayed, mother gets worried.
Oh yeah.
Too much of the information on internet is very harmful.
It is.
But this was a blessing for me. I thought, oh, my kid will go to a play school and he'll not be able to say, Mama, I want to go to Poppy, I really am feeling hurt, or I'm hungry, or the cries the teacher will not be able to understand, or something like that. So that was my intention, that no, I can't let my kid go anywhere else.
Okay.
I have to teach them. I think I started thinking like Edison's mom who got the letter and decided that, okay, I will teach my son.
Yes.
So I think that was the inspiration, and that is where it all began.
So now you call yourself a homeschooling parent, right? A complete homeschooling parent.
I call myself a early homeschooler as of now, because so much of the work and the business and the things.
Yeah.
I don't know how long I can really carry this, but I'm enjoying the process. I'm enjoying the way my kids are picking up the learning, the way they are, picking up the knowledge, inquisitiveness, the kind of questions that have started now coming. Just 2 days before, my son was asking me, Mom, how does a thunder light work? So the thunder lightning, okay, the kid will see, they will be happy. The question of how it is working
And at this age,
at the age
all
of
I knew was that if you wear black, you get stuck by a lightning. That's what I knew at their age, I think. Yeah.
I see a lot of fathers also these
Oh, yeah.
days homeschooling their kids, and they are very inspirational. And obviously the kids are beautifully growing. So let's see how it goes. I mean, you could really relate to it being a single parent.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you intentionally want to homeschool
I do.
and give that kind of a
I
knowledge.
just want, I think, 5 more hours in addition to the 24 hours I have, and then I'll be able to give those 5 hours just to my son.
That's what. And you know what? Trust me on one thing. You will understand and realize it when you reach there. You keep on doing the activities also with Ray. That 1 hour of education
Oh, yeah.
is equivalent to those 6 hours of the school that we send our kids to.
Okay, so this is not at all in our script or the pointers that we have. So today, as you know, that he woke up at 5:30, and I had just slept at 4:15 because my meeting got pushed, and I was actually studying, so I wanted to complete one particular course So I was doing that. So he woke me up, and now first I don't try to give him screen as soon as he wakes up, right? I do play something on TV just so that he can mellow down a little. But he was very clingy to me, so what I decided, I took a box, and I was actually planning to make a Easter basket out of it. So I gave him that with the paint colors and everything. It is just painting. He was sitting on high chair, and it was his kid-friendly paints. He painted those. He was all covered in blue. But after I washed him off, he slept within 5 minutes, without the need of milk, without. So that's when I realized that it's not only the physical activity that tires them out.
Of course.
It's the mental activity also, like that the brain functioning is also making
I mean,
them.
don't you understand? They're also human.
Yeah, but
we get so tired thinking, no, let's not even talk about both of us. We get tired and
But we still think.
No, we get more awake instead of sleeping and resting.
Yeah.
But we are an exclusive ones, I guess.
I
But
think so.
humans, when they get mentally tired, they sleep.
Right, and he slept, and I was like, okay. So that whole activities was nothing. He was painting in his free will, right? But still, that made some impact.
Yeah.
So I definitely agree with the point that I think that 1 hour really matters.
1 hour really matters. 1 hour of properly planned, curriculum or a properly child-led curriculum. That's what we have been really hearing from a lot of other moms when we posted about it. What does it mean to
Yeah.
you? So most of the moms actually ended up saying that they love the idea of child-led learning.
But for a single parent like me, or the moms who are juggling their private jobs, see, there's an advantage of having your own business,
Yes, of course.
that you have the timing in your hands. You can
Yeah.
work according to
Yeah.
your. It's not every time, but most of the times you can work accordingly. But for a mom who's, for me, like I don't have any support, and I also have to manage my home. I have my night shift job, then I have my small business and everything. So when I think about homeschooling from that perspective, I think I would not call myself somebody who's completely inclined towards homeschooling, because I can't dedicate that much time. But at the same time, I'm not going to depend on the school curriculum. Whenever he goes, I'm not going to depend on them. And the sole reason behind it is that I don't want him to get false information or too much information.
Too much information.
Being a single parent, and or the parents who are working, both the parents are working, it becomes very difficult for them to manage everything. And in Indian households, you cannot depend on help. Even if you've hired help for everything, I really don't think that I'll be able to sleep peacefully thinking that, oh, okay, she's cooking, she's cleaning, and that's it. I can't do that. I don't know why.
But that's individual thing also. That is the kind of nature that we both have. We want to just be sure everything is passing under our nose.
Yeah,
and
we are
know
nosy.
it. We are. So yes, there is no point agreeing it to here that yes,
Sugarcoating it, yeah.
we are nosy and we
So-
want everything to be as per us. That's the whole reason, and that's
Yeah.
the reason we stress out a lot. Yes. The outside world really consumes a lot of our energy, a lot of our time, and we have to really put in a lot of efforts. And homeschooling is not a jargon, it is not a trend or a fad that
Yeah.
you are a homeschooler, so you are in fashion or something like that. It really requires a lot of efforts,
Exactly.
a lot of planning. I mean, I remember my nights are such where I'm just planning their next day curriculum.
Correct.
Or creating their assessment reports. Have they learned this? Have they not learned this? Where I have to take them for next experiential visit or something like that. So your mind is also working with that, and you absolutely are right. With business, I can still take out the time,
Correct.
and that's where my juggling is going on. Whether I want to continue, whether I want to go to the school. I'm not an anti-school person.
Yeah.
I am
think
just
neither of us
We're
are.
not anti-school or anti-system. It is just that my kids have understood the life in a very different format now. So I just want anything that aligns with my teaching ideologies
Right.
is great for me. Even if that is a government school, or if that is an IB or a Cambridge or whatever that is.
So coming to the point of, I would like to switch to English now, because I know कि बहुत सारे parents मेरे वाला situation face कर रहे हैं at this moment, that they want to spend more time with the kid, but unfortunately they don't have the time. And I know, I've read so many self-help books that everybody gets the same 24 hours. You know what to do. Trust me guys, I'm sleeping just 4 or 5 hours a day. I am actually working the rest of the 22 or 20 hours. So that's not the case with me and with many of the parents. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ पर आता है the quality time that you spend with the kids. So I might not be able to homeschool him like right now. जो उसकी education है, जो उसका language development है, that's through me.
Of course.
And I'm very glad that the kind of language he's developing right now, God, by God's grace, please, I want him to remain the same.
Of course.
Because he says water, he says empty. When he's done eating, खाना खाने के बाद he will say all done. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि वो कभी ऐसे बोले मम्मा खा लिया.
Mama shouting from the washroom.
हाँ,
or doing,
I don't want that.
This is something which is a very personal thing to us. We want that kind of a thing to happen.
बिल्कुल.
So now the catch here is how we want our kids to be.
True.
As a homeschooler, you get that independence and you get that comfort of creating a human the way you want it.
Correct.
That is what it is.
हाँ.
So अगर आपको वो intention समझ में आ गया है कि मैं इस तरीके का sketch out वाला बच्चा सोच रही हूँ जो इस तरीके के एनवायरनमेंट में आराम से रह पाए या जैसे एनवायरनमेंट से मैं आई हूँ वो बच्चा वैसा रह पाए. सो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर ओन इंटेंशन. होम स्कूलिंग इज ऑल अबाउट इंटेंशन. अच्छा मुझे ऑनेस्टली बताओ, हम लोग बचपन में कौन से प्ले स्कूल गए? हम सब तो होम स्कूल्ड ही हैं. हमारे दादा दादी
हाँ,
ने
मैं जब आई थिंक 4 साल की थी, आई वाज वेरी लेट टू प्री स्कूल. मैं 4 साल के बाद गई हूँ.
सो प्लस प्री नर्सरी में भी बच्चों के ऊपर ऐसा कोई प्रेशर नहीं होता था. हम दादा दादी से सब कुछ सीख रहे थे.
The stories and
इंडिया में
everything.
we can't say कि होम स्कूल इज अ न्यू ट्रेंड. It has always been there.
I think अभी क्या हो गया, the word that you said ना, trend. लोगों ने
Yes.
उसको trend बना दिया है.
Yes.
And I'm not pinpointing anything here. मैं बस ये सोच रही हूँ कि बहुत सारे moms हमारी community में और बाहर हम देखते हैं कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ इतना क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. दे आर डूइंग एक्टिविटीज एंड दे आर रिकॉर्डिंग इट फॉर द कंटेंट पार्ट आल्सो.
Yes.
उससे अवेयरनेस तो आती है, बट साथ में वो पेरेंट जो वो चीज़ नहीं कर पा रहा है ना, उसके मन में एक 1% आता है,
FOMO.
ओ माय गॉड आई एम नॉट एबल टू
I'm
डू
not
इट.
able to do it.
हाँ, तो कुछ गिल्ट है, कुछ फोमो होता है, एंड फिर उसी चक्कर में ना दे मेक, आई थिंक दैट दे माइट मेक द रॉन्ग डिसीजन. अच्छा, आई वॉज इट वॉज आई थिंक गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग कि आई वर्कड विद द स्कूल रिसेंटली एंड आई सॉ द इनर वर्किंग्स. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक मेरे टाइम के एजुकेशन में और अब में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो अच्छा है कि एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग है. बिकॉज माई सन लव्स एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग.
Of course.
उसको आप गाना सुना के कुछ याद कराओगे वो ऐसे याद करेगा. सो इफ आई हैव टू मेक हिम क्लीन समथिंग, आई हैव टू सिंग अलॉन्ग विद हिम एंड ही विल क्लीन द होल रूम इफ यू वांट. अगर मैं उसको ऐसे बोलूँ रेयांश प्लीज क्लीन द रूम,
Never.
ही वुड नॉट डू इट.
My son would not do it.
या सो आई एम हैप्पी कि वो एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग स्कूल्स में हो रही है. बट एट द सेम टाइम द इनर वर्किंग ऑफ सर्टन स्कूल्स, इट इज़ टेरिफाइंग.
It is.
बिकॉज मैं अपने बच्चे को अभी से गुड टच, बैड टच, हाउ टू इंटरैक्ट विद द अदर पर्सन, हाउ टू शेयर योर टॉयज, मैं ये सब सिखाना चाह रही हूँ. जब मैंने उस स्कूल में बच्चों को इंटरैक्ट करते हुए देखा, आई हैव सीन सर्टन थिंग्स विच एज अ पेरेंट आई कुड नॉट डाइजेस्ट. As a teacher, I had to turn a blind eye because I wasn't supposed to do anything about it. But as a parent, it terrified me to the core कि मेरा बच्चा ये करेगा
now
वहाँ
you
पर.
go back to the starting of the video. I mean, this is what always terrified me. I mean, every time on the social media, seeing that this school में ऐसा दवाई दे
Yeah.
दिया. In fact, not only in Noida or Delhi or
बाहर,
India,
हर जगह.
I saw it even internationally
Yeah.
happening that. You know, the kids were given this medicine, so they slept through the
Yeah.
daycare time or something.
मेरी
Not-
नानी ने मुझे ये चीज़ बोली थी कि डे केयर में बच्चों को दवाई पिला के सुला देते हैं.
हाँ.
तब से मैं ये भी डर चुकी हूँ.
While they are driving, we have that free time. They're
Yeah.
reading, they're understanding, they're pinpointing the things.
Yeah.
So this learning never stops.
एंड यू नो कितना सरप्राइजिंग है. अभी जैसे आपने कार वाली बात बोली है, मुझे एकदम से याद आया कि माई मदर एंड आई वी यूज टू ट्रैवल अ लॉट क्योंकि मेरे नानी पंजाब में रहते हैं. सो हमारा समर वेकेशन मीन्स पंजाब. एंड मुझे याद है आई यूज टू आस्क हर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस. ओ माई गॉड, वो पता नहीं कैसे फेडअप नहीं होते थे. एंड शी वॉज अ पेशेंट लेडी एंड शी वॉज द बेस्ट. वो मुझे हर चीज़ का आंसर करते थे. तो आई थिंक वो वाला जो चीज़ है ना,
I think I also connect there with you. Another factor where I connect from Bareilly to Delhi. My father and
Oh, yeah.
mother used to
Travel.
drive every time, and I used to keep asking the question. Me and my
हाँ.
brother both. We
Yeah.
were always like that, and my sister was
कि
not
वो
even
स्पेलिंग क्या बना, वो
नहीं, वो
क्या
ट्रक के
लिखा है.
पीछे क्या लिखा
हाँ.
है. अब ये milestone आ गया है, how far is this city,
Oh,
how
yes.
far is that city, you're understanding maths,
Right.
you're understanding spellings,
Yes.
you're understanding language, they're asking us to reach the hoardings,
Hmm.
count only the blue
एंड
cards.
द फार्म्स जो आते हैं आसपास में, तो अगर येलो होता था तो
तो
मेरे लिए
सरसों।
सरसों है वो, बट मुझे फिर आइडेंटिफाई कराया गया कि येलो सिर्फ सरसों नहीं है, कई बार वो सिर्फ नॉर्मल प्लांटेशन होता है, सो दैट द सॉइल रीगेन्स
Yes.
इट। ये सब चीज़ें मुझे बुक्स से नहीं
So
याद
now
है मुझे।
this is what I'm saying. Homeschooling has always been a part of Indian culture.
Yeah.
At the system which we are really talking about right now, you know, be it Montessori, be it Waldorf, be it a mix of something or whatever it is, it has always been Gurukul, which always taught
Exactly.
you the way of life first,
Yeah.
maths second. you
The
know.
life skills, right?
The life
Montessori
skills.
is very now the cat's out of the bag. I am doing a diploma in Montessori, and when I'm reading about it and I'm taking my classes, it is very much similar to Gurukul. So जब हम बहुत छोटे थे तो हमें ये धमकी दी जाती थी, गुरुकुल पढ़ने भेज देंगे अगर ये काम नहीं हुआ। मेरे घर में मुझे
अब ऐसा नहीं लगता आई विश भेज ही दिया
हाँ,
होता।
और अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि और मैं आई हैव बीन इन द हॉस्टल लाइफ, सो आई लव दैट, क्योंकि वहाँ मैंने हर चीज़ इंडिपेंडेंटली करना सीखा, एंड दैट्स व्हाट Montessori learning is.
And don't you feel okay? But a lot of people might think that we are the overthinker parents. और अभी से we don't
इतना
want to
क्यों सोच
create
रहे हैं?
Einsteins
हाँ.
or whatever. But coming to the point where you said from the hostel you learned a lot of independence, etc. Did you ever knew before that life is going to throw this lemon to you?
Oh, not at all.
Right?
Yeah.
But don't you think your base work was done so perfectly
Yeah.
that you are able to handle life situation now?
Exactly.
Now, there's a way of connecting
हाँ.
all the dots and
So हॉस्टल में आई यूज टू गेट अ बजट, राइट, एंड मुझे उसी में अपना पूरा 1 month निकालना है, क्योंकि माई डैड इज़ ऑल्सो अ सिंगल पेरेंट, सो हम उस हिसाब से चलते थे। अब यही चीज़, आई एम अ सिंगल मदर, सो आई नो कि मुझे मेरे फाइनेंसेस ऐसे ही हैंडल
Yes.
करने हैं, इतने ही क्रंच में मुझे वो महीना निकालना है।
Right.
तो अगर वो मैंने शायद उस टाइम पे ना किया होता तो मुझे अब बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो रही होती एडजस्ट करने में, बट राइट नाउ इट फील्स लाइक अ पीस ऑफ केक। हाँ, देर
Yeah,
आर बैड
because
डेज, बट
that's because see, everybody, even a millennial would have a bad day. I'm not
Oh,
saying
yeah.
that, yeah. But the way the life was taught to you,
Yes.
the way the life was presented to you, it made you ready for every problem that is coming.
Very
so
true.
it is very important for our kids to solve their own problems every time. Do not give a lending hand.
Yeah.
Let them do it. Let them do it wrong. 10
लेट देम
times.
क्राई। वो रोता है। अब जैसे माय सन वाज ट्राइंग टू ओपन द लिड ऑफ हिज टॉय बॉक्स, सो द प्रॉब्लम इज उस टॉय बॉक्स में ना थोड़ा सा मैंने कटर्स एंड ऑल रखा हुआ था फॉर आर कुकी मेकिंग थिंग, मैं अभी जो करने वाली हूँ। सो ही वाज आस्किंग मी टू ओपन इट, आई सेड नो, ही केप्ट ऑन ट्राइंग, ही क्राइड, एंड देन आफ्टर आई थिंक 2-3 minutes उसने अपने आप को खुद ही डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके ही स्टार्टेड सिटिंग ऑन द बॉक्स, देन पुशिंग द बॉक्स एज अ कार, it was over.
They will find the solutions to their own
Huh.
situations, but let them be.
Exactly.
I mean, there too much of the instructions for the kid is bad. That's what I felt, and that is what
I
this
am guilty
child.
of it, thoda
no,
sa.
but I do not give instructions to them too much. Yeah, I do get scolding for this that you are not telling them the right thing, but I want
Yeah.
them to realize the right thing, and in this process, that self-realization. And you know, that empathetic side of my kids is really coming out so
course.
well.
Yeah.
So I do not want to really instruct them a lot of things. I mean, the other day in the night, my husband was having a mango, and I just tried putting my fork to it, and I was actually feeding my son only, and he ended up singing, "Mama, sharing is caring." So don't you want to share? So these kids, they understand
Yeah, they
where
do.
exactly what needs to be done.
सो आई थिंक अभी जो स्ट्रगल है विद द पेरेंट्स हु आर सेंडिंग देयर किड्स टू स्कूल, द टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग, बट एट द
Yeah.
सेम टाइम आई वुड से कि थोड़ा सा वेयर टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, बिकॉज आई हैड दैट, सो आई सी यू डूइंग थिंग्स, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा पाथ ईजी हो जाता है कि ठीक है, अच्छा ये कर रहे हैं, मैं इसका थोड़ा छोटू वर्जन
version
करूँगी,
कर लूँ, हाँ.
ठीक है। बट व्हाट अबाउट लाइक हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट, ऐसी 3 मस्ट हैव्स जो कोई मॉम या पेरेंट देख रहा हो उसके लिए, कि हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट इट? जस्ट फॉर द पेरेंट्स हु वांट टू डू दिस, और लेट्स जस्ट से कि वो होम स्कूल ना करना चाह रहे हो, बट वो ये चाह रहे हो कि उनके बच्चे के साथ वो कुछ इंटेंशनल टाइम स्पेंड करें, कुछ ऐसा करे कि जो स्कूल से हटके हो बट स्टिल बच्चे मज़े भी करे, लर्न भी करे, तो हाउ लाइक व्हाट आर द 3 मस्ट हैव्स दैट यू वुड से, इजी मस्ट हैव्स टू start that parts?
I think how I started was, again, I said it was need based. But now I really feel involve your kids in your household chores.
Oh, yeah.
That is the first thing that you really need to do. Make sure that you demonstrate in front of them how you really take care of the belongings and of the people around
Yes.
and of the animals around.
Yes.
How you present yourself in front of your kid is the second major lesson, because these are two life important lessons. A boy really needs to learn how to cook. A girl really needs to know
How to run a business.
So these are the two things that I really feel are the must have. And the third most important thing is travel a lot with your kids.
True.
Please stop saying that the kids are too much. I mean, they
Oh,
get
yeah.
cranky, they throw
They are going to be too
tantrums.
much. हम कभी हमेशा ही
But
उनका कुछ ना
weren't
कुछ चलता
we too
रहेगा.
much?
हाँ. And हमने बहुत ट्रैवल किया.
It's okay. I mean, at the end of the day, even the people around now are so understanding and caring. They understand that the kid is throwing tantrum. It's okay. It is not about being a bad parent. They're not judging you.
Actually-
And even if they're judging you,
हाँ.
let them.
So the problem is कि लोग चाहे ना जज कर रहे हो, आपके दिमाग में उस टाइम पर आता है यार मुझे लोग देख रहे हैं. I'm
Exactly.
telling you, ये
Yeah,
हमारा ही
correct.
खुद का.
ये-
So
yeah.
I'm watching महाभारत right now. I love watching महाभारत whenever I feel कि मेरी कोई energy deplete हो रही है. So I bring that warrior back in me watching that. So मैं वो देख रही थी और उसमें ना it is very rightly said कि आपकी आधे से ज़्यादा battles ना it is
In your
created
head.
by you.
In your head.
तो यार वो जो जजमेंट है मेरे साथ ये हुआ भी है. हम लोग परसों वॉक करके जा रहे थे एंड उसका कैप ही वाज वेयरिंग अ कैप, रे वाज वेयरिंग अ कैप एंड इट फ्लो विद द विंड एंड ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग और वो नीचे बैठ गया. ठीक है, वो टैंट्रम शुरू हो गया उसका. एंड मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहला थॉट क्या आया कि लोग देख रहे हैं. बट मैंने उसी टाइम अपने आप को करेक्ट किया कि क्या हो गया, सबके अपने अपने बच्चे हैं, सबके बच्चों ने इससे ज़्यादा किया होगा, उन्होंने भी इससे ज़्यादा किया
Of
होगा,
course.
लेट इट बी.
Of course.
फिर मैंने उसको आराम से समझाया, फिर हम हंसते हंसते चले गए एंड वी कैरीड ऑन विद इट. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि मुझे कोई रोक के बोलेगा आप वही थे ना जिसका कल बच्चा नीचे बैठ
No,
गया
no.
था.
Somebody would end up stopping you and say, "You're such a bad mom. Your son always throw tantrum." I mean, nobody
Yeah.
has that time in the world to really say that.
But there are
And
judgmental people.
Yeah, they will judge you,
Yeah.
make faces towards you, but it is on you how you are responding to those faces and how you are responding to those judgments. Ignore and move. It's you and your child that matters the most,
And
not the
बच्चों को
world
भी तो
that
यही
matters
सिखाना
the
है ना
most.
to have a thicker skin because
Yeah, of
life
course.
life is unpredictable. You don't know how many.
You spoke the most important lesson of life right now. Your reaction is the biggest action that
Oh, yeah.
really happens. Don't react, it will not happen.
Exactly. Very true. So the three must-haves that you just said was travel a lot with your kids, and I can tell you, I am a single parent. मुझे बाहर जाने से पहले वो सारी एंजाइटी आती है कि यार मैंने स्नैक भी रख लिया, सब कुछ रख लिया, 40 मिनट्स का ड्राइव है, कार सीट में इतनी देर नहीं बैठेगा, बट फिर भी किसी तरह मैं वो 40 मिनट्स ट्रैवल करके अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाती हूँ.
Yeah.
चाहे हम बीच में there is a lot of yelling sometimes he just sleeps through it, sometimes I am trying to distract him by saying stupid things, but वो 40 minutes travel हो जाता है. And जब हम वो play date या वो travel करके वापस आते हैं, it's the best feeling because I have so many pictures as
And then
memory.
you have so many memories, and this is something that is going to really last.
I think मेरे लिए जो मैंने होम स्कूलिंग तो नहीं but the intentional parenting or the education that I'm trying to give him is how I started it. First of all, the belongings वाला जो चीज़ आपने
Yes.
बोला. So पहले स्वाति visited my home once and the first advice she gave me कि ये toys को ऐसे baskets में मत रखो, ये अंदर ही अंदर पड़े हुए टूट जाएंगे. And so that's what I did. Now I have shelves where the toys are displayed. I know मुझे वो 10 बार उठा के रखने पड़ते हैं दिन में because sometimes he is not in the mood और वो सब फैला के भाई साहब सोने चले जाएंगे. But I'm happy doing it because उससे ही नोज कि ये मेरा प्ले एरिया है, यही मैं खेलूँगा.
Yes.
मम्मा मुझे किचन में आने से अगर मना कर रहे हैं तो मैं नहीं जाऊँगा बिकॉज कुछ काम हो रहा है, मम्मा मना कर रहे हैं, तो देयर इज अ रीज़न बिहाइंड इट.
Yeah, the feeling of having our own space,
Hmm.
our own place is so beautiful for we adults as
Yeah.
well. So imagine how beautiful it is for the kids. I mean, there is a small shaft where we have converted that into a play area, extended play zone for the kids. So Rudraksh would get up in the morning and say, "Let's go to the tree house." It's
Okay.
not a play area now.
Yeah.
He has named it like
The
a tree
imagination has
house.
worked.
The imagination has worked because there is a ladder, there is a thing there he could climb, and there is a grass under the plastic grass.
Huh.
So he calls it his den a tree house.
Nice.
So you know you are doing so many things unknowingly, imparting so much of the education that we try कि okay 1 2 3 सिखाना है, ABC सिखाना है. Before that you have done so much while you are
Correct.
just being intentional parent. That's it.
That's
That
it.
is what
हाँ,
homeschooling
मतलब
is.
होम स्कूलिंग को इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ना देते हुए
नहीं.
ऑल वी कैन ट्राई इज, अब जैसे एवरी संडे आई ट्राई टू डू एन एक्टिविटी विद रेयांश. ईदर इट कैन बी नॉर्मल कि मैंने पानी में पॉम पॉम बॉल्स डाल दिए एंड दैट ही इज जस्ट पिकिंग देम अप
picking
विद
and
टॉन्ग्स
squeezing,
और
yeah.
स्क्वीजिंग देम. इट्स गुड इनफ बिकॉज वो उसका ये वाला मसल इज वर्किंग राइट. उसका ब्रेन वर्क करे कि अच्छा पॉम पॉम में देयर इज वाटर समहाउ.
कौन कौन से कलर में उठा
Colours,
रहा हूँ, मैं
right.
सॉर्ट कर रहा हूँ, आई एम स्क्वीजिंग, आई एम डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो इमेजिन हाउ मेनी डब्बास you have activated in the
Exactly.
mind. So it is like they are doing the simplest of the thing, might look very easy to you. Oh, they are just scribbling, but you cannot imagine how much
Yeah.
imagination is going in that scribble.
बिकॉज आज जब व्हेन ही वाज पेंटिंग इन द मॉर्निंग वो दोनों हाथों से पेंट कर रहा था.
Wow.
ठीक है. सो आई गेव हिम 2 ब्रशेस. मेरे को उसका स्पंज मिला नहीं, सो आई गेव हिम ब्रशेस एंड आई वाज लाइक ही हैज टू मेक मेस, ही कैन डू व्हाटएवर ही वांट्स. एंड ही वाज ट्राइंग टू डू इट विद बोथ हैंड्स and I have the pictures. He was looking so cute doing it and he was so focused and I was like okay, this is good enough for me. वो दोनों side of the brain is working. That's another thing. वो हम unintentionally वो उसने अपने लिए ही वो एक development activity create कर लिया. Alright, so ये homeschooling वाला topic, I think it's a very deep discussion. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वॉट वी कैन डू इज़, अगर हमारे पास टाइम कम है तो लेट्स स्पेंड दोज 15 मिनट्स विदाउट द स्क्रीन्स. आप अपनी स्क्रीन मत पकड़ो, बच्चा स्क्रीन नहीं पकड़ेगा और उस टाइम पे यू डू समथिंग विद दैम. मैंने जो बुक्स बाहर निकाल के पूरा डिस्प्ले बना दिया है, सो नाउ माई सन विल ब्रिंग 4 बुक्स बिफोर स्लीपिंग एंड हम वो कर रहे होते हैं. अदरवाइज हो ये रहा था कि मेरी नाइट शिफ्ट का लैपटॉप चल रहा है एंड ही इज़ जंपिंग ऑन मी एंड देन आई एम गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड देन ही इज स्लीपिंग. तो वो साइकिल ब्रेक हो गया है. अब हम लोग बुक्स पढ़ते ही, आई एम रिलैक्सड. कई बार तो मुझे भी नींद आ जाती है स्टोरी पढ़ के. तो हम लोग मतलब आई थिंक यही आप करो. अब अपना सेटअप थोड़ा सा बाहर रखो, टॉयज़ को इंटेंशनली यूज़ करना सिखाओ कि आज हम ये टॉय रोटेशन करना. आई थिंक वो एक बहुत अच्छा चीज़ है.
The book rotation, setting up the place with them only, and you know depends. Please don't feel कि my son or my daughter is only 6 months. वो लोग क्या समझेंगे etc. They are understanding and absorbing everything like
Yeah.
a sponge. You do it in front of them, and gradually maybe after 10 times or 15 times you will see they are also doing the same thing.
Before shooting this segment, we had posted some questions on Instagram for the fellow moms to chip in about homeschooling. I think because my Instagram page has a lot of US mom community. Most of them are doing homeschooling, but I realized कि फिर भी 67% of moms were saying that no, we are not doing homeschooling. In my question, it was that they're not doing it yet. But when I asked them that what are the challenges or what do they feel that they won't be able to accomplish, the first question was, what if I am not enough? ठीक है. और आई थिंक ये मेरे दिमाग में भी आता है कि यार मुझे क्या पता, मुझे ये नॉलेज उतनी ना हो जितनी वो टीचर हु इज़ गेटिंग द सैलरी फॉर एक्चुअली डूइंग द वर्क उसके पास हो. तो देन द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वॉज ऑफ कोर्स टाइम मैनेजमेंट. एज वी हैड ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस कि वर्किंग मॉम्स, बिजनेस ओनर मॉम्स, हर किसी के लिए टाइम बहुत अलग अलग दिखता है. But we can manage it in a way, and maybe we can have 1 hour with our kids which is not involving any screens. कुछ books है, कुछ coloring है, just maybe exchange of dialogues है. Sometimes I just use a hand puppet and I do some word exchange, and that's good enough for him.
Yes.
Right? Third question which I really...
You are there. You are already doing the homeschooling. Believe me, with the kind of convo which is going right now, you are there.
So I think this is the beginning of it. तो अगर आपको लगे कि कहाँ,
even if you send him to 10 different daycares or the school or whatever, the kind of base work that needs to be done is already there. That intent of making sure that my child knows this, or where my child's interest is going, that intention is already there. So you are more than halfway already there.
Yeah.
You are doing homeschooling unknowingly.
right? Maybe many of the parents are.
Yeah, most of us do it, but we do not term it.
हाँ.
Tell me, every mother would take daughter or the son to the kitchen, make them sit on the slab and give them
we
the
have done that.
squishy
the atta ball
or
कि आप
whatever,
इसको बैठ
please
के
do
बनाओ
it.
रोटी.
Yeah, so you making circle, you're understanding the different materials, etc.
You know roll, you know pat. That's how I taught him.
Yeah.
तो मैंने ऐसे
So,
आटे से ही करा था, no
I
clay.
think every mother is already doing it. It is just they are not just putting it into a organized system.
Correct.
That's about.
Right.
So once you add a little more organization and little more thought process to it,
You become a homeschooler.
Every mother can be called a homeschooling mom.
Right. The third question that was there वो था socializing वाला. And I do get that. ठीक है, अगर so one mother said very rightly कि अभी मैं joint family में रहती हूँ, but फिर भी वो वहाँ का interaction limited हो जाएगा. आप ये देखो कि इवन जॉइंट फैमिली वाली मॉम्स को लग रहा है कि वो इंटरेक्शन लिमिटेड है, तो आप सोचो सिंगल पेरेंट को क्या लगता होगा कि ये तो इंटरेक्शन ज़ीरो है फिर सोशल इंटरेक्शन. एंड माई सन इज़ अ सोशल पर्सन. यू विल सी हिम, अगर वो मेरे साथ कहीं जा रहा है, ही विल वेव टू एवरी वन, ही विल बी गिविंग फ्लाइंग किसेज टू एवरी वन. इफ़ ही इज़ ईटिंग समथिंग, ही विल शेयर इट टू द मोस्ट रैंडम पर्सन ऑन द रोड. डू यू वांट अ बाइट?
Kind of play dates that we have actually created. You can take your kid to different activities.
Yeah.
You can take them to the play zones, sit and have your coffee and do your work from home situation while the kid is actually playing. So the socialization is not only with the same age group that will happen. Take them to the park, there they can meet oldies as well.
Yeah. Yes.
With the homeschoolers, I think the option of socialization is beyond the classroom. It's beyond that area where only 30 kids are sitting and you're only interacting with them. That is not what socialization is about. If
Right.
this is what your concern is, that if they're not going to the school, they'll not be able to meet and talk, etc. We see at our play dates how Ray is actually just dancing with the kids, how Rudraksh is just
He
saying
runs
hi
around with-
friends, how are you, how he's pulling his sister and saying let's dance, let's do the thing. I mean, so they are more socialized, not even going out of their four walls. It is
Correct.
on you again. They see you. The parents are the only system that they see and they
करेक्ट.
imitate.
एंड अगर आपको ये है कि बच्चे का फ्रेंड सर्कल नहीं बनेगा, तो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट दिस इज़ नॉट एन एज जहाँ पर उनको आपको फ्रेंड सर्कल बनाकर देना है. बिकॉज अभी अगर आप उसको सर्कल में रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हो, देन you are actually inhibiting their social qualities. Because we had these questions, we have, so Swati is a complete homeschooler, and because as we have said कि उनके पास business है, तो उनके पास थोड़ा सा liberty है to change the schedule. I am a semi homeschooling parent and I have a very strict schedule, but we have a mom who is homeschooling and she is doing a remarkable job. She has also started her small business and she is a corporate employee. एंड एज वी आर इन इंडिया, तो उनको अपना घर भी संभालना है. सो वो वही, आई थिंक इट इज़ वन ऑफ अस ओनली. सो वील बी टेकिंग हर ऑन कॉल एंड वी जस्ट वांट टू नो कि उन्होंने अपना होम स्कूलिंग क्यों शुरू करा, हाउ डिड शी स्टार्ट. हर किसी के पास सेम रिसोर्सेज नहीं होते, तो लेट्स सी हाउ डिड शी स्टार्ट.
Hi Ishita.
आवाज आ रही है? हेलो.
Yes, we can hear you properly.
ओके.
Okay.
Alright, so Ishita, as we had discussed कि बहुत सारे मॉम्स के क्वेश्चंस थे कि या सोशलाइजिंग नहीं होगा अगर हम होम स्कूलिंग कराएंगे. कुछ मॉम्स का था कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं होगा. कुछ का था कि व्हाट इफ़ आई एम नॉट इनफ, कि मेरे पास वो नॉलेज ना हो कि मैं नॉलेज इम्पार्ट कर पाऊँ. So why don't you tell us, like, how did you start the homeschooling journey? We just want to know कि how can moms get encouraged if they want to do homeschooling or if they want to do such activities at home, which is quality time with their kids, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
So I am Ishita. I am a working mother of a 4-year-old, Pradhansh. So we've been homeschooling till now, till 4 years. We've been doing homeschooling. So I also had the same questions. To be honest, I never thought of doing homeschooling until I did it. So it was just taking one day at a time, one activity at a time, right? And I also had this socialization problem, I thought. But I think kids become more social, if they are in gatherings, if they are playing with children around them, right?
Yeah.
Noida Moms Tribe has also been a very important part in our homeschooling journey, I would say, because we go to play dates, we meet kids.
Yeah.
So he has never had a socialization problem. You guys know him better. He is not a child who is antisocial or who doesn't talk.
And what about the curriculum? Like, do you follow a strict curriculum? Like, स्वाति का इतना planning and ये सब है कि शायद ही मैं compete कर पाऊंगी. तो for somebody like me, who is a slacking mom, उनके लिए आप क्या बताओगे कि how did you start? Did you make unit study plans या आपने सिर्फ randomly कुछ सोचा? How do you do that?
No. We actually still now we don't follow a strict routine.
Okay.
We have a rhythm. Like we do 1 or 2 science related activities, a few phonics activities, or a little science experiment. We don't follow a strict routine, but yes, like I use worksheets and all. There is a curriculum that I have.
Okay.
But the best part about homeschooling that I feel is child led learning, right? So it is you see the interest of your child and then plan your curriculum according to it. Like Hridansh, I would say he learned like phonics earlier, and then he went to numbers. He was not interested in learning numbers, counting, and anything earlier.
Okay.
So I offered all the activities, but I did not force him, right, to do it.
Well,
So it is just sharing those activities again and again, but instead not forcing the child to do it. अभी करो.
And we will
That
be
should not be
tagging your page here क्योंकि कहीं तो बहुत सारी when I was part of that school where I had to coordinate some activities. इशिता का page is the one जहाँ से मैंने बहुत सारा चोरी किया है ideas. So we will be tagging that page here because she does very nice and very easy घर पे होने वाली activities. Just so that the kid can learn and can be involved. So how do you manage it with your job? I know that you work from office and from home, right? It's a hybrid situation.
Yes, it is. Yes.
तो जिस दिन आपको ऑफिस जाना है उस दिन आप क्या करते हो? लाइक क्या वो स्केड्यूल आपके घर पे काम करने वाले स्केड्यूल से डिफरेंट होता है?
Obviously it is different. Well, I do keep some activities for him in the morning. I tell him at night that yes, like tomorrow you have to do these activities.
Okay.
But it is not always that he does, because there are some days that he doesn't want to do any activity without me. That also happens. And some days he does all of it in just 1 hour or so, and he says, "Mama, I'm done. When are you coming back?" So there are both those days. But I do keep some activities handy on the days I am not here, so that he is also involved. And on the days that I am not at home, I give him those activities which he is more interested in.
Okay. Well,
Right.
that sounds like a very easy way to follow क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है as long as वही हम अभी शुरू में बात भी कर रहे थे कि इंटेंशनल पेरेंटिंग की बात है सारी. जब आप ये कोशिश करोगे कि आप अपने बच्चे को 15 से 30 मिनट दे रहे हो दिन में एंड यू आर डूइंग समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव, एंड प्रोडक्टिव का कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है. आप जो भी कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे मॉम एंड सन बॉन्डिंग हो रही है, फादर एंड सन बॉन्डिंग हो रही है, ईदर वे लाइक दे आर लर्निंग एंड दे आर बॉन्डिंग. I think that's what
Even
matters.
if they're going to the park, like they're having a park time, they're
Correct.
learning a lot. They're experiencing things.
हाँ, मतलब माई सन यूज टू बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ स्लाइड्स, बट अब मैंने उसको रेगुलरली थोड़ा सा लेके जाना शुरू करा है, तो ही नाउ एक्चुअली ही फोर्सेज माई हैंड कि मुझे स्लाइड्स कराओ. तो आई थिंक वही है, रेपिटेशन एट वर्क है. आप बार बार वो चीज़ कराते रहो, बच्चे के दिमाग में रजिस्टर होता रहेगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द जॉब, घर, बच्चे का होम स्कूलिंग, यू हैव स्टार्टेड अ स्मॉल बिजनेस इज वेल. हम स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर मॉम्स के बारे में वी वुड वांट टू मेक अ सेगमेंट, एंड बट वी वांट टू नो लाइक व्हाट मेड यू स्टार्ट दिस.
I would say spending time with him, right? Because
Okay.
when I plan all these homeschooling activities, that is when I realized my hidden interests and my hidden hobbies as well.
Yeah, that
So I would
happens
say
with
his
us,
homeschooling
right?
has helped me build this business.
सी हमारे सबके बच्चे हमारी इंस्पिरेशंस हैं, एंड आई थिंक उन्हीं का मतलब उनको लेकर ही हमने सब कुछ शुरू करा है. मेरा कलम से इज़ ऑल अबाउट माई सन कि मैं उसके साथ कैसे और टाइम स्पेंड कर सकूँ, और सेम बच्चों के सेम एज ग्रुप के साथ, एंड सेम गोज़ फॉर यू. बट थैंक यू चिता. आई थिंक बहुत सारी मॉम्स को ये वाला पार्ट आने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि लोगों ने होम स्कूलिंग वर्ड को थोड़ा ज़्यादा ग्लोरीफाई करके डिफ़िकल्ट साउंडिंग बना दिया है. बट आई थिंक मॉम्स लाइक यू and many other moms and dads, we will be tagging some of the pages and you can go and check them out on Instagram. So as you can see, this was another mom जिन्होंने होम स्कूलिंग को कुछ प्लान करके नहीं शुरू किया था, बट उन्होंने इवेंचुअली 4 साल का बच्चा हो गया, अब वो स्कूल जाएगा. So 4 years is good enough time, right?
That's what I said. Like I call it early homeschooler. So the early base foundation years, which
Exactly.
are the first 5 years, they are the most crucial, most important, and the major thing which I really wish to point out here of the benefit of, you call it homeschooling or sending this child late to the school or whatever. The biggest thing that I actually felt deep down in my heart is the connection and the bonding of your
With the
kid.
parent.
Always in their heart,
Correct.
these 5 years will be embedded.
बिकॉज उनके नो का वैल्यू होगा
Yes.
when they have said no
You're
and
validating them.
है ना बिकॉज माई सन सेज नो टू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग और वो जब नो बोलता है तो आई स्टॉप दैट थिंग देन एंड देयर बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट हिम टू लर्न कि नो की वैल्यू है और सिर्फ उसके नो की नहीं अगर उसको किसी ने नो बोला है तो उसकी भी
उसकी
उतनी ही
भी
वैल्यू
value
है
है,
व्हेन आई टेल हिम सो ही ट्राइज टू वेक मी अप whenever he is awake right I tell him no mama needs to close her eyes he will sit on the bed he'll play with his toys or the books and he knows mama ने no बोल दिया
No बोल दिया.
So I think वो you rightly said ये 5 साल है let's create the safest space for them so that when they are fighting battles out in the outside world they know that they have their sweet home sweet
home
parents
to go back
to
That is one major
and get
barrier.
recharge so you put them into a stencil a predefined stencil जो society में चलता आ रहा है let them have their own world let them have their own
world,
imagination
create their own things, etc. And feel contented. That is what homeschooling has given to
हाँ.
me. The feeling of contentment.
You will see कि I think आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था right somebody had said this कि यार बच्चे ना थोड़े से लैक करते हैं there was a word that they used I still you were telling me that conversation कि किसी ने ऐसी बात बोली थी कि यार होम स्कूलिंग वाले बच्चे ना उतने एडवांस्ड नहीं होते उतने बाहर नहीं जाते बट इफ़ यू हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद हर सन आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप हमारी नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में और उसकी इंग्लिश जो वो भी बोल रहा है उसमें भी ज़मीन आसमान का अंतर है वो ये नहीं बोलेगा आई एम थर्स्टी ही विल से आई एम डिहाइड्रेटेड ओके आई नीड हाइड्रेशन
I need hydration.
तो मतलब इट्स जस्ट कि आप क्या बच्चे को सिखा रहे हो ट्रस्ट मी गाइज हम सारे ही वी आर ऑन द सेम बोट वी आर नॉट श्योर ऑफ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग बट वी हैव टू बी श्योर कि हम जितना टाइम उनके साथ हैं वी आर
We
गिविंग
have
देम अ हैप्पी सेफ स्पेस
Yes, I
राइट
think the takeaway would be again, like we said in the first episode, the intentional parenting.
Exactly. Do let us know कि आप लोग कैसे करते हो correct
Homeschooling also. Why do you hate homeschooling so much? That also we want to
हाँ
know.
like we want to know what the challenges are या आपको क्या लगता है कि ये क्यों हमारे लिए नहीं है हो सकता है आप लोगों को लगे कि ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही अंग्रेजी चलन है राइट ट्रेडिशन है सो लेट्स वील हैव अनदर सेशन वेयर वी आर होपिंग दैट वी हैव सम मोर पेरेंट्स हु हैव डन दिस हु आर डूइंग इट और हु वांट्स टू जंप इनटू होम स्कूलिंग and let's see what their experiences would be.
And I'm going to share my pages, that my go-to pages on Instagram
Yes.
that I really love watching.
एंड डू चेक आउट आवर पेजेस आप देखोगे कि उस पर हम बच्चों के साथ बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं तो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि जो हम आज बात कर रहे हैं वो ऐसे बेसलेस नहीं था स्क्रिप्ट नहीं था दिस इज़ वॉट वी आर एक्चुअली डूइंग इन आवर लाइफ बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट अस मॉम बीइंग मॉम
And we are unfiltered.
यस बाय बाय हाई फाइव